Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be learning how to draw the best bounty hunter in the galaxy. Me. But before we can get started on that, I've got news about exclusive art tutorials that are going to be only available on my Patreon. For just $3 a month, you can get exclusive tutorials like this one right here, as well as many others coming down the line with the coming months. Thanks for watching this video and dealing with this terrible Boba Fett impression, which sounds more like Daniel Logan than Tamir Morrison. Now let's get to the tutorial.
So the first thing we're going to be starting with is the dome of the helmet, and then going into the part that outlines the T-visor and then the T-visor itself. Feel free to make adjustments to your drawing as you please, and then after that we'll add the little cheek indents in the cheek part of the helmet. After that, it's the rangefinder. Try not to make this too tall. I have an issue of making them too tall sometimes, and it just makes the helmet proportions look really off. So try to find that nice middle ground. We'll also be adding in various scratches and battle marks that Boba has acquired over the years. The infamous scratch over the eye is the one that he has in the book of Boba Fett, so we're just going to go ahead and add that in now. After that, we'll add in the clothing scarf thing that goes around the neck of this new look for Boba, and then the chest plates and the main torso. For now, we're just going to be really rough with our lines and just go ahead and get those establishing features down before we polish them up and make them nice and dark. And we'll do the same thing for the shoulder pads and the sleeves and the arms that come out from under the shoulder pads. Now that those are finished, we're going to go ahead and add in the jetpack. This is a really simple design. It's honestly just a couple of like levels of poking outwardness. So as long as you vary those and add some greeblies in the middle, should look pretty cool. From there, we're just going to add some more details, and I sped this part up just because it's just me going over things, making things look more solid and more defined, and then adding a few little details, so feel free to pause if it moves along too quick. And that is going to wrap up the Book of Boba Fett version of Boba Fett.
Guys, thanks so much for watching this video, and don't forget to pay tribute to your daimyo. Follow me on Patreon. I'll see you in the next video. May the Force be with you.